National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Sioux County in south-central North Dakota, southeastern Morton County in south-central North Dakota, northwestern Emmons County in south-central North Dakota, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 5 miles east of Prairie Knights Resort, or 13 miles west of Linton, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Cannonball around 2:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Beaver Bay Recreation Area. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move